So let's say I want to change the background of this picture right here. So in that case, I can utilize the guided replace background option. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the guided tab right here. And once you go around onto the guided tab, here you can see replace background is an option. So if I were to go around over here and click on replace background, then what happens is that I can go around and select out the subject that I want to keep. And once I click on this, you can see that it automatically detects out people in the picture, and there you go, it has been selected right here. You can also go around and refine out the selection even more by using the auto select tool right here, just like this. And you can go around and utilize the, let's say for example, you can select this out, and then let me just go around and drag around this person right here, and everything will be selected on the basis of that as well. You can also use quick selection mode right here to select out parts that may have been missed right here, and you can use the brush right here to select out everything manually and refine out the selection over here as well. So let's say for example, you can go around and erase the selection out right here just like this, or you can add that in over here as well. So let me just go around over here and let me just go around and work around with the opacity right here. And then I'm going to go around onto the select object option over here as well. I'm just going to go around and utilize the auto select itself that I started with. And now what I can do is I can choose a new background by importing a photo, or I can use one of these presets right here. So if I were to go around onto preset, you can go around, select out an image, and you can see that the background will be replaced just like this. So there you go, and you can go around and select out the background that you want to apply. Or you can go around, make it transparent over here, or you can go around and choose a color of your liking and apply that color as a background as well. But let's go around and import out a photo right here and use it as a background. So to do that, you can go to import a photo right here, and what you can do is you can go around and import out a photo that you like. So I'm just going to go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto my images folder, and let's say I want to apply this background right here. I can simply select it and click on place right here, and the background will be applied as you can see. Now you can use the move tool right here to click and drag the background and place it wherever you want as well. So you can go around and use the refine as brush right here, and then you can add in more contents from the subject, or you can subtract it out over here as well. And you can work around with the size over here. As you can see, the size of the brush, that is just like this. You can go around, work around with the size right here. You can erase this out, as you can see, just like this, to refine it out even further. You can work around with the opacity, as you can see right here, and change around, let's say for example, the hair size right here. You can see that there's some like some portions of the subject leaking, so you can just go around and erase these out, as you can see right here. You can erase these part out right here, these part out right here, just like this, and that is what you have. And here you can also auto match the color tone right here, just like this. And then what happens is that everything is matched out right here. The color tone of the background will be matched out with the subject once you click on this to make it more let's say relevant with the picture that you're selecting. And that is how you can use the guided replace background option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.